Alright, this another Master Pro Series. It's a 6321. It's got big shackle guards on it. It's actual metal, it's not plastic. I'm not sure if it's aluminum or not. It's a pretty big lock. So, it's got 5 pins. Like the other Pro Series ones, I'm going to try to use light tension. Get some stuff adjusted here. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright, just popped it open. That's the Master 6321. I felt like it had some serrated pins, and I feel like maybe 2 spools most, but a lot of them popped in really easy. I just didn't use a whole lot of tension. They just kind of slid in pretty well. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I forgot to show the bitting on the Master Pro Series 6321. So here it is. This is actually a pretty decent bitting. Alright, thanks for watching.